Chia seeds. They're everywhere these days. You see them in smoothies, snacks, even desserts. But are these tiny seeds really as powerful as people claim? Or are they just another passing health fad? The truth is, chia seeds have been nourishing people for centuries. They're packed with nutrients and offer amazing health benefits. But like any food, there's more to the story. So let's dive in and uncover the truth about chia seeds. Are you ready to separate fact from fiction? Chia seeds come from a flowering plant in the mint family. Native to Central America, chia seeds were a staple in ancient Aztec and Mayan diets. These cultures recognized the incredible energy and stamina chia seeds provided. In fact, chia comes from the Mayan word for strength. Warriors and runners relied on chia seeds for fuel. They considered them a gift from the gods. For years, chia seeds were relatively unknown outside of Central America. But recently, they've exploded in popularity. And for good reason. Their impressive nutrient profile has earned them the title of superfood. One of the most fascinating things about chia seeds is their ability to absorb liquid. When soaked in water or milk, they transform into a gel-like substance. This gel-like texture comes from the soluble fiber in chia seeds. This fiber not only aids digestion, but also helps you feel full and satisfied. Imagine a tiny seed expanding to 10 times its size in your stomach. No wonder chia seeds are so good at curbing cravings. When it comes to nutrition, chia seeds truly stand out as a powerhouse among superfoods. Gram for gram, these tiny seeds are packed with more nutrients than many other foods you might find in your pantry or at the grocery store. It's almost hard to believe that something so small can deliver such a big nutritional punch, but chia seeds really do live up to the hype. Let's start with fiber. Just 1 ounce of chia seeds, which is about 2 tablespoons, contains over 10 grams of fiber. That's a huge amount for such a small serving. Fiber is essential for healthy digestion, helping to keep things moving smoothly in your gut and supporting a healthy stomach. It also helps you feel full for longer, which can be really helpful if you're trying to manage your weight or avoid unnecessary snacking throughout the day. To put it in perspective, that single ounce of chia seeds provides almost half of the daily recommended fiber intake for adults. Most people struggle to get enough fiber in their diets, so adding chia seeds to your meals is a simple and effective way to boost your intake. But fiber isn't the only thing chia seeds have going for them. They're also a fantastic source of plant-based protein, offering about 4 grams of protein per ounce. This makes them a great option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to add more plant protein to their diet. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and keeping your energy levels steady throughout the day. And let's not forget about healthy fats. Chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of ALA, omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats play a vital role in supporting heart health, reducing inflammation, and even boosting brain function. If you don't eat fish or other animal-based sources of omega-3s, chia seeds are an excellent way to make sure you're still getting these important nutrients. On top of all that, chia seeds are loaded with essential minerals like calcium, phosphorus, magnesium, and potassium. These minerals are key for strong bones, healthy muscles, and maintaining proper nerve function. Just a small serving of chia seeds can help you meet your daily needs for these important nutrients. So, the next time you see those tiny black and white seeds, remember, they're not just a trendy topping. Chia seeds are truly tiny nutrient bombs, ready to fuel your body, support your health, and add a powerful boost to any meal. Whether you sprinkle them on your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or stir them into yogurt, you're giving your body a serious dose of nutrition with every bite. Chia seeds may be tiny, but their nutritional power is truly impressive. These small seeds, which come from the Salvia hispanica plant native to Central America, have been prized for centuries for their health-promoting properties. Today, they're celebrated as a superfood, and for good reason. The unique nutritional profile of chia seeds translates into a wide range of health benefits that can support your body in many different ways. For those looking to manage their weight, chia seeds are a fantastic addition to your diet. Thanks to their high fiber and protein content, they can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time. This means you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks or overeat at meals. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water and expands in your stomach, creating a feeling of fullness and satisfaction. This can help reduce cravings and make it easier to stick to healthy eating habits, ultimately aiding in weight management and even supporting weight loss goals. When it comes to heart health, chia seeds are a true ally. They are one of the richest plant-based sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Omega-3s are essential for maintaining healthy cholesterol levels and reducing inflammation in the body, both of which are important for a healthy heart. The fiber in chia seeds also helps lower LDL, or bad cholesterol, while supporting overall cardiovascular health. Including chia seeds in your meals can be a simple yet effective way to care for your heart. Blood sugar control is another area where chia seeds shine. The gel-forming fiber in chia seeds slows down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This helps prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, making chia seeds a smart choice for people with diabetes or anyone looking to maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. By promoting more stable blood sugar, chia seeds can help you avoid the energy slumps and mood swings that often come with high sugar diets. Digestion gets a significant boost from chia seeds as well. Their abundant fiber content supports healthy digestion by adding bulk to stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This can help prevent constipation and keep your digestive system running smoothly. The prebiotic fiber in chia seeds also nourishes the beneficial bacteria in your gut, which is essential for overall digestive health and even immune function. And let's not forget about bone health. Chia seeds are surprisingly rich in bone-building minerals like calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. In fact, gram for gram, chia seeds contain more calcium than many dairy products, making them an excellent option for those who are lactose intolerant or following a plant-based diet. These minerals are crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth, and they also play a role in muscle function and nerve signaling. With all these benefits, it's clear that adding chia seeds to your daily routine can have a positive impact on your overall well-being. Whether you sprinkle them on your breakfast, blend them into smoothies, or use them to make delicious puddings, chia seeds are a simple, versatile, and nutritious way to support your health every day. While chia seeds are generally safe for most people, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, because of their ability to absorb liquid and expand, chia seeds can be a choking hazard if they're not consumed with enough fluid. Also, eating large amounts of chia seeds, especially without enough water, can cause digestive discomfort, things like bloating, gas, and even diarrhea. Another thing to consider is medication interactions. Chia seeds can potentially interact with blood thinners and blood sugar medications. And, although it's rare, some people may be allergic to chia seeds. So it's always best to start with small amounts of chia seeds and really monitor how your body reacts. Now for the fun part. Let's explore how you can make chia seeds a delicious and regular part of your daily meals, all while keeping things safe and enjoyable. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile, and with just a little creativity, you can add them to a wide variety of dishes, snacks, and drinks. Whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out in the kitchen, there's a chia seed recipe for everyone. Here are some simple and tasty ways to incorporate chia seeds into your diet. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to boost your nutrition with just a spoonful or two each day. Chia seeds have a mild, nutty flavor that blends seamlessly into both sweet and savory dishes, making them a perfect addition to almost any meal. First up, let's talk about chia seed pudding, a classic favorite for breakfast or dessert. To make it, simply combine a quarter cup of chia seeds with 1 cup of your favorite milk. You can use almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, or regular dairy milk, whatever suits your taste and dietary needs. Stir the mixture well to make sure the seeds are evenly distributed, and let it sit for a few minutes before giving it another good stir. This helps prevent clumping and ensures a smooth, creamy texture. Add a natural sweetener like honey, maple syrup, or even agave nectar to taste. You can also mix in a splash of vanilla extract or a pinch of cinnamon for extra flavor. Once everything is combined, cover the bowl or jar and refrigerate for at least 4 hours, or even overnight. The chia seeds will absorb the liquid and expand, creating a thick, pudding-like consistency that's both satisfying and nutritious. In the morning, top your pudding with fresh fruit, nuts, or a sprinkle of granola for a delicious and filling meal. For a smoothie booster, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds to your favorite smoothie recipes. Not only do they provide a boost of fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, but they also help thicken your smoothie, giving it a rich, creamy texture. You can blend the seeds right in or sprinkle them on top for a little extra crunch. Try combining chia seeds with fruits like bananas, berries, and mango, along with leafy greens and a splash of milk or juice for a nutrient-packed drink. If you're looking for a plant-based egg replacement, chia seeds have you covered. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water, then let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. The mixture will form a gel-like consistency, which can be used as a substitute for 1 egg in most baking recipes. This is perfect for making vegan muffins, pancakes, or cookies, and it adds a subtle nutritional boost to your baked goods. And as a salad topper, chia seeds are a fantastic way to add a satisfying crunch and extra nutrients to your greens. Just sprinkle a tablespoon of chia seeds over your favorite salad for a boost of fiber, protein, and healthy fats. You can also mix them into salad dressings or sprinkle them on top of roasted vegetables, grain bowls, or even soups for added texture and nutrition. Remember, chia seeds absorb a lot of liquid, so it's important to always drink plenty of water when consuming them. This helps prevent any digestive discomfort and ensures that the seeds can expand properly in your stomach. Start with small amounts if you're new to chia seeds, and gradually increase your intake as your body gets used to the extra fiber. With these tips, you can safely and deliciously enjoy all the benefits that chia seeds have to offer, making them a staple in your healthy kitchen.